wait, what position is it?
Yeah.
Hi, so I'm with Border Road here, playing center for the athletes. So the first one, can you tell me about your basketball experience? How long have you been playing basketball?
8 years na. Nag-3 years in San Beda. 5 years in Dito San Beda.
So it's already your 5th year. So this is your last year for the movie. Okay. So how did you get recruited? Or did you try out?
Here in Manila. Nirecruit ako ni Coach Joel.
Okay.
Anong music student?
So zero already 6 years in.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So marami makaalis next year.
Hindi naman. Pero yung 10 years nila
Okay.
may natitira.
So what potential do you think nakita ng Coach Joel?
Tinanong ko rin siya dati. Sabi ko yung puso, yung tapang. Sabi niya. Ewan ko. Totoo.
But you can see parang today ang dami ng foreigners sa series. So do you feel that Filipinos still need to be prioritized in the team?
Oo, feeling ko. Kasi yun nga, parang kawawa naman yung mga Filipino players na talagang nagtatrabaho ng mabuti. Tapos mga players or mga foreigners.
So this is the last one. What can you say about the Lasal Cruces?
Wala yun. Wala po yun. Di ba nanalo yun?
Okay. So thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.